Hello, my little friends. I'm Ballerina Cappuccina. Welcome back to Kids Mem School. Today, we're gonna learn about amazing vehicles. Are you ready? Let's go! What is this? Yes, it's a car. Vroom, vroom. What is this? Yes, it's a bus. Beep, beep. What is that? What is that? Yes, it's an airplane. Whoosh! What is that? Yes, it's a boat. Splish, splash. Wow, what is that? Yes, it's a rocket. Zoom. What's that? Yes, a bicycle. Ding, ding. What's that? Yes, a train. Choo-choo. What's that? Yes, a helicopter. Whir, whir. What's that? Yes, yes, a tractor. Vroom, vroom. What's that sound? Yes, a fire truck. Nina. What's that? Yes, a police car. Woohoo! What's that big one? Yes, a ship. Honk! What's that? Yes, a taxi. Beep, beep. What's that? Yes, a motorcycle. Vroom, vroom. What's that big one? Yes, a truck. Brrr. What's that? Yes, a scooter. Buzz. What's that going so fast? Yes, a speedboat. Whoosh. Wow, we learned so many vehicles today. Car, bus, airplane. Hello, friends. A, B, C. A is for apple. B is for banana. C is for seed. Let's see what C can be. D is for dog. E is for egg. F is for fish. G is for grapes. H is for hat. I is for ice cream. J is for juice. K is for kite. L is for lemon. M is for moon. N is for nest. O is for orange. P is for pear. Q is for queen. R is for rainbow. S is for sun. T is for tree. U is for umbrella. V is for violin. W is for watermelon. X is for xylophone. is for yo, yo, yo. Z is for zebra. Wow! We learned the whole alphabet. Goodbye, friends. See you next time.